you at the HDFC Securities. In this webinar, we are going to cover HDFC Securities product pricing, features, overall app walkthrough, a basic understanding on the MTF, which is margin trading facility, futures and option, and the HDFC Security research. For benefit of all, I will use both Hindi and English. Okay, during the session, if you have any query, you can share your questions on the chat panel or a Q&A panel. We will take all the questions once the presentation is concluded. Now, before starting, let's understand what is the pricing. आपने जो भी डीमैट अकाउंट ओपन करवाया है विद द HDFC सिक्योरिटी, इसमें what are the charges? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द AMC, which is annual maintenance charge. आपने जो भी ट्रेडिंग एंड डीमैट अकाउंट ओपन करवाया है, the first year charges is free. There is no account opening charges. And from the second year, जो भी डीमैट चार्जेस है from the second year, अगर आपका बैंक कैटेगरी विच इज नॉन मैनेज और रेगुलर, ओके, अगर आप HDFC बैंक के क्लाइंट नहीं हो या आपका बैंक अकाउंट नॉन मैनेज है वहां पे, देन द, और अगर आप पूरे साल में एक भी ट्रेड नहीं करते, देन द चार्जेस इज 750, और अगर आप एक ट्रेड भी कर लेते हो पूरे साल में, देन द चार्जेस इज 500 रुपीज। अगर आपका बैंक कैटेगरी इज द क्लासिक एंड अगर आप एक ट्रेड करते हो, देन द चार्जेस इज 500, और अगर आप ट्रेड नहीं करते, देन द चार्जेस इज 500, एंड अगर आप एक ट्रेड कर लेते हो, देन द चार्जेस इज 250। अगर आपका बैंक कैटेगरी इज प्रीफर्ड और अगर आप पूरे साल में ट्रेड नहीं करते, देन द चार्जेस इज 300, एंड अगर आप एक्टिव हो, देन देयर इज अ नो चार्जेस, एंड इफ योर बैंक कैटेगरी इज इंपीरियर, देन देयर इज अ नो चार्जेस। ओके, दिस इज रिलेटेड टू HDFC बैंक डीमैट अकाउंट। अगर आपका नॉन HDFC बैंक डीमैट अकाउंट है, विच इज HDFC सिक्योरिटीज डीमैट अकाउंट है, then the charges is 750 rupees. Okay, I again repeat, first year there is a no charges, from the second year these are the charges. Second is demat debit charges. तो जब भी आप कोई भी सिक्योरिटी सेल करते हो, then the broker need to give this delivery to the exchange, तो उसका एक चार्ज रहता है। तो अगर आपका HDFC बैंक डीमैट अकाउंट है और अगर आपका बैंक कैटेगरी विच इज नॉन मैनेज और क्लासिक, then the charges is 0.04 या 30 rupees, whichever is higher. If your bank category is preferred या Imperia, then the charges is 0.03 और 30 rupees, whichever is higher. और अगर आपका HSL DP है, which is HDFC Security DP, then the charges is 20 rupees per transaction. Okay, I'm not going to cover the brokerage charges because brokerage at the time of account opening, जो भी आपका बैंक कैटेगरी होगा, ऑन बेसिस ऑफ दैट आपको चार्ज लगा होगा। अदरवाइज आपने कोई भी सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लान लिया होगा एट द टाइम ऑफ अकाउंट ओपनिंग, तो दिस आर द ब्रोकरेज चार्जेस। So I'm not going to cover the brokerage charges. So this is basically demat charges for the second year and the demat debit charges as and when if you are selling any securities. Now, before starting and moving to the mobile application, first there are certain prerequisites required. अगर आप डेरिवेटिव में ट्रेड करना चाहते हो, then you need to activate the derivative segment. अगर at the time of demat account opening अगर आपने डेरिवेटिव सेगमेंट ऑफ नहीं किया, एंड अगर आप डेरिवेटिव या फ्यूचर ऑप्शन सेगमेंट में ट्रेड करना चाहते हो, देन यू हैव टू एक्टिवेट द डेरिवेटिव सेगमेंट। नाउ कैसे एक्टिवेट करते हैं डेरिवेटिव सेगमेंट? ऑन द वंस यू लॉन्च द मोबाइल ऐप, आप मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन जब भी लॉग इन करोगे, ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड देयर इज अ हैमबर्गर मेन्यू, you have to click, and then after you will land on this page, which is a profile page. From that you have to activate the privilege, you have to select the segment and you have to accept the terms and condition, and then after either you can upload a documents with the list of documents are available, otherwise there is a bank statement facility, fetchment facility is also available. So if you have a bank in all those banks, the list is already there, then the bank statement will be automatically fetched from your bank account and your FNO segment will be activated. I will show you on the live also. Second is the DDPI. Now let's understand what is this DDPI. So DDPI is basically demat debit and pledge instruction. तो आप जब भी कोई भी सिक्योरिटी सेल करते हो, then broker need to give this delivery to the exchange. Now earlier there is a POA mechanism is there, which is a power of attorney. तो आप जब भी शेयर सेल करते हो, then broker can take your share and submit it to exchange. Okay. Now, if you are not activated the DDPI, then you need to follow the process of the CDSL or NSDL TPIN. So every day, as and when if you want to sell any security, you need to follow the EDIS process. But अगर आपका DDPI activated है, then you no need to follow this TPIN process. You can sell your sell easily. आपको कोई वेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपने कोई भी शेयर आपके पास डिलीवरी में पड़ा है, यू कैन सेल योर सेल. यू नो नीड टू फॉलो द EDIS प्रोसेस. तो अगर आपका DDBI एनेबल है, तो यू कैन डू द ट्रेड फास्टर. Secondly, आपका MTF facility will be also activated, which is buy stock pay later. And third thing is your cashless trading, which means अगर आपके पास डीमैट में कोई भी स्टॉक पड़ा है, the same stock you can pledge and you can take the additional limit into the MTF. So these are the some of the benefits for the DDPI. अगर आप DDPI एक्टिवेट करना चाहते हो, तो आपको एक मेल आया होगा from HDFC Securities, which is a eDDPI@HDFC Security. The one link is there. You need to click on this link. You have to enter your Aadhaar number and the OTP. Your request will be received and your DDPI will be activated within a 2 working days. अगर आपको मेल नहीं आया, still you can mark a mail on customercare@hdfcsec.com mentioning your trading ID and mobile number and email ID. You will get this link and you have to follow this process. Now, the first benefit is the DDPI is enabled, then your MTF facility will be also activated. Now, let's understand little bit on the MTF. Okay, the MTF is basically a leverage facility. तो लेट्स से अगर आप कैश डिलीवरी के अंदर कोई भी स्टॉक लेते हो, देन यू हैव टू पे द फुल अमाउंट. तो अगर आप 1 लाख का स्टॉक लेना चाहते हो, तो यू हैव टू पे कंप्लीट 1 लाख रुपीज. इफ यू वांट टू बाय स्टॉक ऑफ रुपीज 4 लाख, देन यू हैव टू पे एंटायर 4 लाख रुपीज. बट यही ट्रेड अगर आप MTF सेगमेंट प्रोडक्ट टाइप में अगर आप MTF सेलेक्ट करके ट्रेड करते हो, देन देयर इज अ फंडिंग लिमिट. ओके, सो अगर आपको 4 लाख का स्टॉक लेना है, देन यू हैव टू मेंटेन ओनली 1 लाख रुपीज. तो रेस्ट 3 lakhs विल बी फंडेड बाय द HDFC सिक्योरिटी. नाउ दिस leverage is depend upon the script to script. So there are total list of 790 odd scripts are there. So according to the script to script, there is a leverage percentage is there. So in that way you can take the positions. You need to maintain a minimum margin and you can take the leverage. This is how you can use the MTF facility. Now जो भी ये आप MTF में परचेस कर रहे हो, which you can hold up to 275 days. ओके, लेट्स से आज आपने लेवरेज लिया और कल उठ के आपको रीपेमेंट कर देना है, विच मींस आपने शेयर आज MTF में लिया and after 10 days let's say you want to repay the amount. So this facility is also available, that you have to convert your share from MTF to delivery so that the interest will be stopped. जो भी आप ये लेवरेज लेते हो ऑन लेट्स से 1 लाख रुपी, 1 लाख आपका बैलेंस है, आपने 4 लाख का पोजीशन लिया, दिस 3 लाख विल बी फंडेड बाय लेट्स से HDFC सिक्योरिटी. ओके, तो ऑन ये दिस 3 लाख यू हैव टू पे द इंटरेस्ट विच इज 1.5% per annum, which is 1.5% per month, which is 18% per annum. तो 1 लाख पे आपको 1500 रुपए मंथली इंटरेस्ट लगेगा. ओके, तो दिस इज द जस्ट अ बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑन द MTF. I will show you the live mobile app also, so your doubt will be also clear. Now I will switch my screen to mobile. Yes. So first you have to download a mobile app which is InvestRight. So you can either go to the Play Store or your App Store and you have to download the InvestRight. Once you download, then you can log in through your customer ID or even your login ID, which you have received at the time of account opening. So once you log in, so this is the first dashboard page, home page. But let me explain each and every details of this dashboard. But before that, let me take to the profile section. On the right hand side top hamburger menu, there is a profile section. The app is working both in light and dark mode. You can select whichever mode you want. Now let's understand the profile section. So once I click on the profile section, जहां से मेरे को मेरी पूरी प्रोफाइल डिटेल मिलेगी, which is my mobile number, email ID, everything. Okay, even the what are the segments are enabled, that also I can check. If I want to edit any details, then there is a edit option is available. तो आप जहां से आप अपना मोबाइल नंबर या ईमेल आईडी कुछ भी डिटेल आप चेंज कर सकते हो. सेकंड सेक्शन इज योर नो योर रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर. आपका रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर कौन है, इसका आपको कॉन्टेक्ट डिटेल प्लस इसका ईमेल आईडी भी आपको मिल जाएगा. थर्ड थिंग इज द सेटिंग. वंस आई क्लिक ऑन द सेटिंग, देन देयर इज अ प्रेफरेंस. तो आप जब भी ऐप लॉन्च करना चाहते हो तो आप कौन से पेज पे लैंड होना चाहते हो, दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन सिलेक्ट कि आपको वॉच लिस्ट पे जाना है, पोर्टफोलियो पे जाना है या डैशबोर्ड पे जाना है, दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन सिलेक्ट. देयर आर सम ऑफ द जनरल सेटिंग ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द डैशबोर्ड, which all indices you want, that also you can select. There are the order type. तो जब भी आप ऑर्डर प्लेसमेंट करना चाहते हो तो आपको कौन से सेगमेंट में विद विच प्रोडक्ट टाइप एंड कितने क्वांटिटी से आप ऑर्डर लेना चाहते हो, so one time you can select your preferences. So by default this page will be open at the time of your order placement. So these are the some of the important settings. Now let me take you to the how you can activate your FNO segment, which is FNO privilege. So these are the privilege section. From there you have to click on the privilege. You have to select your income range. And now there is a two option. One is a bank statement via OTP or document type. तो आप document type, this all are list of documents are there. आप कोई भी document upload कर सकते हो. Otherwise there is a bank statement fetchment facility is also there, which is account aggregator. तो आप अपना bank select करके directly the bank statement will be fetched from your bank and your segment will be activated within a 2 working days. So these are the some of the important points regarding your profile and setting. Now let me first show you the dashboard page. So this is the first screen जहां से ऊपर से आपको सारे indices मिल जाएंगे, whatever the indices you have selected. On the click, once you click on the indices, then the entire option chain is open. तो अगर आप option trader हो, then it would be easier for you to trade directly from the dashboard. Second section is your portfolio section, from where you can check what is your portfolio current value or invested and what is the total PNL. These are the spotlight section जहां से आपको मिलेगा जो भी नया अपडेट होगा, कोई भी नया NFO होगा, IPO होगा, that also you can check and you can also apply from directly from your. The third section is what's on your mind. तो अगर आपको IPO, तो दिस इज द IPO क्विक लिंक. तो आप इधर से जाके कोई भी IPO आपको बिड करना हो, यू कैन बिड योर IPO. ओके, तो यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द अप्लाई. नाउ अगर आपका DDPI एक्टिवेटेड है, तो along with your DDPI your bank POE is also activated, then you no need to add the fund. आपको कोई फंड ऐड करने की जरूरत नहीं है at the time of order placement. Even this ASBA facility is also enabled. ओके, तो आपको जब भी IPO बिड करना है, you have two option, either through UPI, where you have to enter your UPI and you have to update from your UPI app. You have to authenticate through your UPI app. Second option is the ASBA. तो अगर आप ASBA करोगे select, then the directly it will be hold from your bank. Okay, this is the IPO order book from where you can check आपके कौन से आपने IPO बिड किए हैं. Second is a basket investing, which is a small case. These all are the ready-made basket. तो इधर से जाके आप चेक कर सकते हो what all baskets are there. There are some of the free baskets are there. There are some of the paid baskets are there, which is a premium baskets. Let's say there is a Summer 2081. So this is a Diwali basket from the HDFC securities. So all the Diwali stocks are available and which you can buy on a one click. तो अगर आपको वन क्लिक में डायरेक्टली बास्केट बाय करना है या आपको एसआईपी करना है इन बास्केट, तो वो भी आप कर सकते हो फ्रॉम दिस सेक्शन. You can also check what all stocks are there. So this 10 stocks are given for the Diwali pick, which is a somewhat 2081 portfolio. And on single click, you can buy either with the SIP or a one-time investment. तो इधर से आप चेक भी कर सकते हो what is the CAGR, what is the minimum investment amount, and based on that you can place the order into basket. थर्ड सेक्शन इज द म्यूचुअल फंड. अगर आप म्यूचुअल फंड में एसआईपी या लमसम करना चाहते हो तो इधर से आप कर सकते हो. दिस आर द, let's see if I want to do the SIP, so these are the some of the plans that also you can check. You can check all the performance. Even there is a return of 5 year, 3 year, so all the filter option is there. Once you click on the any of the scheme, the from where you can place the order either in the SIP or a lump sum. These are the some of the recommendations from the HDFC regarding the mutual funds. Okay, and these are the quick links for the, if you want to see, let's say large cap fund, yeah, mid cap fund, yeah, small cap fund. So directly you can explore all the small cap fund or a mid cap fund from this quick link. There is a research section. The research section be you can explore. On the bottom of the right, there is a research. Even you can directly go from this section. In research, there is a three option. आपको तीन कैटेगरी दिखेगी, which is equity, derivative and mutual fund. अगर आपको इक्विटी के कॉल चाहिए, then there are three section, which is fundamental, technical and the trading. Okay, so this all stocks are selected based on the fundamental parameter. In technical, all stocks which are selected based on the technical parameter. Once you click on the detail, you can explore all the things, get what price, what is the recommended price, what is the target price, what is the stop loss, and what is the rationale behind the stock. So report is also there. आप check कर सकते हो, and based on your risk appetite you can take your decisions. Okay, there is a technical calls also. You can explore all the technical calls. Same way you can also explore the trading calls. अगर आपको डेडिकेटली फ्यूचर्स एंड ऑप्शंस की कॉल चाहिए तो फ्यूचर्स एंड ऑप्शंस की कॉल भी यू कैन एक्सप्लोर. Now the next section is the MTF. So once you click on the MTF, so this is entire MTF का जर्नी, जहाँ से आपको पूरा MTF का अपडेट पता चलेगा. MTF में जब भी आप ट्रेड करते हो, then the T+2 you have to authenticate your transaction as a MTF. Okay, अगर आप ये नहीं करते then your position will be square up on T+3. तो अगर let's say आज मंडे है, अगर आप मंडे को कोई भी पोजीशन बनाते हो तो on T+2 you will get one link from where you have to authenticate your transaction. अगर आप नहीं करते तो T+3 यानी मंडे वाला स्टॉक थर्सडे को आपका स्क्वायर अप हो जाएगा. ओके, so today I have one notification. Let's say to avoid square up, I have to authenticate this transaction before 8:30. You can also check your MTF positions from here. आपने जो भी MTF में position आपने create किया हुआ है, that also you can check. Once you click on the detail, you can also check कि total आपका MTF में 502 रुपए का let's say investment है. How much you have paid, how much the HDFC security funded amount. So you can check your MTF positions. Also from here you can check the list of eligible stock. So currently there are roughly 790 और scripts are there. वहां से जाके आप देख सकते हो कि कौन से script में कितना funding available है. Same way there is a margin calculator also. Okay, from here आप देख सकते हो. Let's see if I want to buy ITC 100 quantity, so I can check for ITC there are total buy value is 47,530. For that, I have to pay 13,308 and the rest 34,000 is funded by the HDFC security. Okay, these are the some of the recommendation for the MTF. तो आप MTF का recommendation देख सकते हो and basis of your risk appetite you can take the positions into the MTF also. These are the superstar portfolio section. The superstar portfolio is basically these are the top investor portfolios. Okay, so let's say there are individual investors like Radhakrishna Damani or Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. If you want to explore the portfolio of the Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, you can also explore the Rakesh Jhunjhunwala portfolio. What all holdings Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is currently holding? What is this holding percentage in last quarter? What is the increased? उन कौन से स्क्रिप्ट में तो होल्डिंग इंक्रीज हुआ, कौन से स्क्रिप्ट में होल्डिंग डिक्रीज हुआ, all things you can check. So not only the individual investor, there are the FIIs investors, even the institutional investor portfolios are also available. You can check what they are doing. You can also check their activity basically. These are the expert recommendation section again. These are the market movers from where you can check top gainer, loser, and everything. The future top gainers, losers in options, which are the market active volumes, most active counters. These are the FII DI activities from where you can check what are the daily FII and DII activities. The bulk deal and block deal section. The advanced screeners, there are roughly 200 screeners are there. Okay, so let's say if I want to check the shareholding where the promoter is holding, let's say more than 60%. If I want to check, then the promoter holding percentage is about, let's say, 60%. I can check where the promoter holding is more than 60%. I can check all the stocks. So there are roughly 200 plus screeners are there. So you can explore all the screeners regarding to the equity, even the derivatives. Also, there is the basket investment ideas. Event calendar is there, and the top news section. So on daily basis, what all details are required? The all details are available on the dashboard itself. The second thing is your watch list. In watch list, there are predefined watch list are also available. अगर आपको देखना है कि भाई let's say आज के top gainer, top loser, 52 week high, low, direct Nifty 50 का portfolio या direct Sensex का portfolio, so that also you can explore it from here. Also directly you can add into your watch list. तो आपका जो भी watch list है directly you can add into your watch list. On the watch list page, there are also some tagging is there. So let's say in this watch list, the first is NTPC, so there is a back symbol is there, so which is under my portfolio. So how much quantity I am holding, that also I can check. Also, the script is into the 52 week high, yeah, low. The script is into gainer, loser. That tagging is also there. Even the script, let's say into the research recommendation, then the batch symbol is there on the Reliance or ITC. So from where I can check all the details regarding the particular script on my watch list. Let's say if I want to place the order, let's say into NTPC. So once I click on the NTPC counter, there are entire script detail, which is market watch, key statistics, performance. Even I can explore the chart, the SWOT analysis, futures, all the futures prices, option chain, technical analysis for the stock. If any research recommendation, then it's also there. News, bulk or block deals, events. So under events, there is all events, which is dividend, board meeting, AGM, book closure, buyback, analytics, financials, MF holding. So which all MF are holding this particular stock and the company bio. All the script detail are available on the script detail page. Directly from the mini code, I directly check charts, even the option chain. And let's say if I want to place an order, I have to click on the buy. I can select the exchange, which is BSE or NSE. Okay, even I have to select the product type. Now this product type is important. तो अगर आप डिलीवरी में स्टॉक बाय करना चाहते हो देन यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द कैश सेगमेंट. अगर आप इंट्राडे के लिए कैरी करना चाहते हो पोजीशन फॉर यू वांट टू टेक द पोजीशन फॉर द इंट्राडे देन यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द इंट्राडे. एंड अगर आप एमटीएफ में पोजीशन लेना चाहते हो देन यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द ई मार्जिन. लेट्स से आई वांट टू बाय डिलीवरी देन आई हैव टू सिलेक्ट द कैश. मार्केट ऑर्डर लेना है या लिमिट ऑर्डर लेना है दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन चेक. अगर आप लिमिट ऑर्डर लेना चाहते हो तो आई कैन प्लेस द लिमिट. अगर आप मार्केट लेना चाहते हो तो वॉट एवर द मार्केट रेट ऑन दैट माई स्टॉक विल परचेज. नाउ ऑन द बॉटम ऑफ द पेज देयर इज अ ऑर्डर अमाउंट. तो अगर मैं कैश में बाय करता हूं तो आई हैव टू पे एंटायर 362.90 पैसा विच इज करंट स्टॉक प्राइस. बट सेम चीज अगर मैं एमटीएफ में लेना चाहता हूं तो आई हैव टू पे ओनली 127. तो जहां से आपको पता चलेगा कि अगर आप एमटीएफ में ट्रेड लेना चाहते हो तो व्हाट इज द मिनिमम फंड इज रिक्वायर्ड. So let's say I want to place now order into the MTF. I will select the MTF E margin, then buy, confirm. Now the fund will be held from my bank account. I have to select click and yes, my order is done. You can check it from here. Now my order is executed. So this is the basically order window from where you can check your order book, positions and mutual fund, SIP and lump sum orders. Okay, all the futures and options positions are also available on the position page. Even whatever you have buy today, that also you can check from the position page. Okay. Second thing, if I want to place a stock ship order, then I have to select on the stock ship. I have to create one basket name. What is my frequency या कितना quantity मेरे को लेना है. Let's say I have to take a 5 quantity. There is a monthly, weekly, fortnightly, daily option is there. Let's say a daily. I want to start this SIP from let's say 2nd of the December. Then every day the one quantity will be added into my portfolio. So this is how you can place the stock ship order. Same way, if you want to place a GTD order, which is goods till date order, then you have to select on GTD order. Now let's say NTPC, I want to buy at 350 rupees. एंड अगर ये 4 जैन तक अगर आता है 350 रुपीज देन मेरा ये परचेस हो जाना चाहिए. आई हैव टू सेलेक्ट द जीटीडी ऑर्डर एंड आई हैव टू क्लिक द बाय एंड सबमिट. देन ये मेरा ऑर्डर प्लेस हो गया इन जीटीडी. नाउ 4 जैन तक अगर एनटीपीसी का प्राइस 350 रुपीज आएगा देन दिस ऑर्डर विल बी परचेस्ड. So this is how you can place the GTD order also. Now one section is a portfolio section. Under portfolio, there are 3 tagging. One is a portfolio, which is your overall portfolio from where you can explore what all stocks, what is the purchase price, what is the invested price, what is the current price, what is your PNL. Second is a demat balance, which is basically your demat stocks. And third is a MTF. So what all stocks you have purchased into MTF, that also you can check. Now, let's say if I want to take a position into the MTF and I don't have any cash balance, so I can pledge my share. Now how to pledge? In demat section, you have to go into the demat section. You can select any counter. Let's say I can select JK Lakshmi. Okay. Once you click on the counter, you have to select the pledge. The quantity आपको दिख जाएगा कि आपका कितना quantity available है, कितना free है. Okay, now this free quantity is 1. I want to hold 1 share. Okay, I can select the hold and I have to enter the quantity and I have to select the hold. Select the 1 and then hold. Then yes, ये share मेरे pledge हो गए. After 15 to 30 minutes, I can take the limit and on that I can take the new positions. So this is how you can pledge your shares. Second is MTF. अगर आपने कोई भी position MTF में लिया and now let's say I don't want to pay the interest. Okay, I don't want to pay the interest. Then there is an option to convert the delivery. तो वो कैसे कर सकते हो. Let's say there is a Canara Bank and there is a convert to delivery option is there. Okay, you have to just confirm, then the share will be converted from MTF to delivery. Okay, once I converted, then my interest amount will be stopped and transfer to my demat account. Okay, this is the order page, and again there is a research page which I already explained. One more thing which I want to show, which is regarding the fund. So on the top right, there is a hamburger menu. Once I click, there is a fund section is there. Once I click on the fund section, from where I can check. Okay, once I click what is my limit and all, I can check. These are the available limits. This is the total limit, this is the utilization limit, and this is the available limit. ओके, अगर आपका बैंक पीओ एक्टिवेट है तो आपको कोई फंड ऐड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. योर फंड विल बी ऑटोमेटिकली होल्ड फ्रॉम योर बैंक अकाउंट एट द टाइम ऑफ ऑर्डर प्लेसमेंट. सेम वे आपको कोई भी पे आउट भी मार्क करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप जब भी कोई भी सिक्योरिटी सेल करते हो, then this fund will be automatically credited into your bank account. Okay, so for that you have to activate your DDPI along with the bank POA. तो आप जब भी initial at the time of account opening आप DDPI enable करोगे, तो along with that your bank POA will be also activated. Okay, let me also show the report section. Okay, for that you have to click on this and you have to go to the report section, from where you can explore all the reports, which is your PNL, capital gain, portfolio XIRR report. Let's say portfolio capital gain, I can explore on the equity. These are my speculative profit, the short-term profit, long-term profit. All the details are readily available. You can also download the same. Same way PNL. Once I click PNL, you can explore what is your PNL, what is your dividend income, what is your total income. You can download from the top right. There is a download option is there. Also, you can change the tenure also. So let's see, if you want the last financial year, you can also click and you can also download the last financial reports. Also, if you required more reports, then you have to log in the web portal, which is HDFC Securities. Once I will show you the web portal also quickly. So for that, you have to go to the hdfcsecurity.com, and on hdfcsecurity.com there is an option which is login. You have to log in this page, and then after you can explore all the reports, your contact notes. Even you can also do the trade from this web trading platform as well. Okay, last thing about the research. These are the research performance for the last financial year. This is for the April, May, June for this financial year. You can check the average accuracy for each and every calls. Like say there is a futures and options calls, cash trading calls, e-margin calls. The cash margin, we have given total 455 calls. Out of that, 378 is positive and the 77 is negative. The average success rate is 83%. Same way for this financial year, these are the accuracy and these are the current calls. तो अगर आप कोई भी current call चाहिए तो research section में once you log in the mobile app, you can check from the research section. Also, you will get the push notification. Also, some of you get the research on the WhatsApp also. Okay, the currently these are the latest call on the emerging. The latest call is, let's say, Angel One, Ultratech Cement, Pyramid Enterprise. So you can check the all the research from the research section which are showed on the mobile app, and you can take the position as per your risk appetite. So I'm done from my side. If you have any question, you can share on the chat bot or on a Q&A panel. I will happy to answer all the questions. If you have any question, you can share on a chat bot. Farooq ji, the question है, I am completely new, still not logged in. Kindly update me the process. फारूक जी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करना है तो यू हैव टू गो टू द प्ले स्टोर और वहां पे आप HDFC सिक्योरिटी इन्वेस्ट राइट टाइप कीजिए। आपका एक मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड हो जाएगा इन्वेस्ट राइट का। देन आफ्टर आपको यूजर आईडी एंड क्लाइंट कोड एंटर करना है। यूजर आईडी आपको मिल गया होगा एट द टाइम ऑफ अकाउंट ओपनिंग, आपको मेल आया होगा योर यूजर आईडी। अगर आपने बैंक के थ्रू ओपन करवाया है तो बैंक कस्टमर आईडी ही आपका यूजर आईडी होगा। But still, if you are not aware about your user ID, then there is a one option is there which is need help, जहाँ से जाके आप अपना user ID ले सकते हो। And then after you have to log in. ओके, आप फॉरगॉट पासवर्ड करके आपको नया पासवर्ड भी मिल जाएगा। देन आफ्टर यू हैव टू यू कैन लॉग इन। वंस यू लॉग इन, देन आफ्टर यू कैन एक्सप्लोर एंटायर डैशबोर्ड। इवन द रिसर्च रिकमेंडेशन इज अवेलेबल। आप रिसर्च लिख के आप अपना पोजीशन क्रिएट कर सकते हो। एंड अगर आपको फिर से देखना है, दिस वेबिनार लिंक इज आल्सो अवेलेबल ऑन द यूट्यूब। आप HDFC सिक्योरिटी के पेज पे ऑनबोर्डिंग एसेशंस टाइप करोगे तो आपको यही लिंक मिल जाएगा फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन रीरन द थिंग्स एंड आप फिर से एक बार समझ सकते हो। I have an account with HDFC security, so user ID will be same, but I have not received demat account number. What should I consider to log in? सर आपको लॉग इन, यूजर आईडी इज डिफरेंट एंड डीमेट आईडी इज डिफरेंट। डीमेट आईडी आपका जनरली होगा 16 डिजिट नंबर, और आपका यूजर आईडी अगर आपने बैंक के थ्रू ओपन करवाया है तो इन मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आपका जो बैंक कस्टमर आईडी है वही आपका इधर लॉगिन आईडी होगा। यू हैव टू लॉग इन विथ योर बैंक कस्टमर आईडी ओनली। और डीमेट नंबर भी आपको वंस यू लॉग इन द मोबाइल ऐप, प्रोफाइल सेक्शन के अंदर आपको डीमेट अकाउंट नंबर भी मिल जाएगा। थैंक यू सर। एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस? So there is no questions. So let's conclude. Thank you all for your active participation. May Dharmesh Shah will signing off. Thank you so much. Have a great day.